Okay, so this is the uh, BainGesk Creative Gardens toy. It basically allows kids to make creative stuff with flowers and like a garden of sort. Creative Gardens.
Creative Gardens.
This is for a kids 3+ old. It has 148 pieces. It is really colorful. It has easy assembly. It has creativity and thinking. We have a lot of puzzles that she can make. A lot of things that she can make a puzzle, etc. But not a lot of them have creativity. This one is particularly one where it's creative because all the fits fit into the different places. So kids can basically make their own design and own colors with different colorful butterflies, and because it's so colorful, it's also very attractive to kids. Let me open this and show it to you. Okay, so inside you have a nice storage box. This is the nice thing about this having a box is when you have little kids like 3-year-old with toys and you do not have a place to store, stuff gets lost, right? Here the fact that it's a nice storage box means you can put everything at the end of the day and you're not worried about losing stuff.
What about this?
Yeah, Virti, this is a water jug.
Oh, I know that it's sewage, but it's this one. I know what is
Okay,
this.
so you can see these are the main beds which will make the garden,
But this is,
and then these are the things like butterflies and flowers, etc.
no, but this is.
So now let me connect this and show it to you next. Okay, so you can see my daughter created this right now. Come on, you can connect more. Good job. Come on. Good.
Papa?
Make more. Let Papa will also make, you also make, okay? Let's see who makes faster.
I make faster.
Yeah, good job.
I make faster.
Now pick a new one, Chotu.
Thanks. Oh, sorry.
It's okay, Virti.
But I know this is no.
Now let's make it here, okay? So that we can connect
Mama,
stuff.
chai sako ama. Ama chai sako ama.
Okay, so you can see we're trying to make like a garden of this sort here. It doesn't have to be connected, right? So you honestly have a choice on how you want to make. So you can say in this case the garden. No, you are not supposed to walk on this, Virti.
I have to again.
Okay, so you can see here. Now the garden is basically ready. Okay, technically I could do something like this and make it connected so that it's like matching, but you can see how it would have worked even if it's not connected. Okay, next we are going to make plants. Okay, Virti, I want you to know, right? Do you want to put flowers directly or do you want to put it on the plants first? Okay, flowers grow on the plants. So we will first put the plants, okay? Okay, Viti. Yeah, this is the normal leaf. Viti, can you please put the big leaf, please? Viti, can you? Big leaf. Yeah, this is the big leaf. Yeah, can you please put it? Good. Leaf here. Yeah, here. Okay. Can you please put a small leaf on the big leaf, please? On the big leaf. Good job. Now can you please put a big leaf here? Okay, yeah. Now Virti, we want to put a flower on this. What color flower do you want? You have to choose quickly, otherwise you won't get it. If you choose, you get it. Yellow, red, blue, pink or orange?
Pink.
Pink, okay. Yeah, I knew you would select pink. Right? Notice it also has a butterfly along with the pink flower. Okay, good job. Virti, can you please put the pink flower on the plant, please?
Okay.
Oh, no, this won't fit. Okay, you have to put the flower on. Now put the flower, please.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, now we are going to put the butterfly on the flower. Can you please put the butterfly on the flower?
Butterfly flower.
Yes, good job. Now select one more color. Do you want pink, yellow, orange, red or blue?
No.
Yellow? Okay, let's select the yellow plant. Okay. Meanwhile, you put all the plants. Come on, put all the plants. I want all the plants put it. Come on.
I'm not a comma. I'm not a comma.
Yes, you can be a five. I want a fast girl.
I'll put this right now.
Okay. You know what? Let's put a yellow color along on top. Okay. And now you have a
Papa,
butterfly.
look this and this.
Yes, very good
I'm
job.
not put this in
Okay, can you want to put the yellow flower, please?
What's not a flower here?
Good job. Virti,
I'm not.
do you want to put the flower on the yellow flower?
Yes. I put.
Good, very good.
But
Put more flowers.
this.
No. You don't put flower. Don't put leaves on the flower. Flower does not have leaves.
What is this?
Come on. Put it here.
What is this?
Yeah. No. Ulta.
This is done.
Okay, Virti, can you put more leaves here?
Okay. This.
And Daddy opened red and orange. So now we are going to play and put a lot of these things, and my daughter will have some choice here. And as she learns, I will give her more freedom to basically put wherever she wants once she understands a few different patterns to use. But you can see, you can make small size, big size, you can connect different ones, and basically kids have a lot of choices, right? And once they understand amount of choices they have, then you can let them build as big as they want. They can make like one huge tree if they want, right? It's all up to them. So yeah, let us make all of these things. Okay, so Virti, can you please put the last orange on top of this flower? It is empty, please.
No. Oh.
Good job. Now, basically we worked on creating like a very, very creative flower, right? And my daughter wanted to make really big trees. You can see she made 2 really big trees. Yes, now put the butterfly. Good job. We forgot about that.
Oh, the butterfly this.
Preeti, here is also butterfly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's put a butterfly here. Good job. So you can see we basically put flowers and plants on everything, and now it's ready. Virti, can you please now put water on the... No, you put water like this. Hold it like this. See? Yes, come on. Put water on all the plants, all of them. Yes, good. If you don't put water, then plants won't grow. You won't see flowers. You want to see flowers, right?
And let me put it.
Yeah, put it. Put more water.
No.
Okay. Alright. And you can see how kids can basically create, every time they make it always different, because kids, always come up with something different depending on the mood that day. So yeah, really fun for kids, and then you can put everything and store everything back in the box once you are done. So you do not lose anything.
It's done, Papa.
Yeah. Alright, Preeti, can you please say bye-bye?
Bye-bye, thank you.